It's Sunday morning in Griffith, and as you can see, it's very, very quiet. Today we are off to 3 self-service car washes. I'm going to check out all of the 3 car washes in Griffith, and we're going to review them all in one episode and compare them. So this car wash I'm heading to right now is called the Griffith Super Wash. Here we are. Griffith Super Wash is empty, no one is here. The next car wash we're going to is called Mr. Magic Hands. A colleague of mine who actually washed his car here yesterday told me it's like a disco if you go for the self-drive-through, which we're not doing anyway. Mr. Magic Hands car wash is probably about 100 meters, if that, from the Griffith Super Wash where we just went. Like, I just missed returning for it because it was so close. I didn't realize it was going to be like this close. Interestingly, Mr. Magic Hands car wash was very, very similar to the Griffith Super Wash. In fact, I think all the machines are exactly the same. On to the final one, which is called New Wave Car Wash. New, spelled N-U and not N-E-W. Which must mean it's pretty trendy. At the moment, they were both being pretty good. I guess the only difference is branding. Alright, here we go. This car wash, similar, but actually I think they've used a different set up. All right, final car wash. Let's go check it out. New Wave Car Wash. Let's go. Wow, that was cool. An hairdryer. I've never been to a self-service car wash with an hairdryer. Overall, the New Wave Car Wash is the winner with 8 out of 10. Second place is Mr. Magic Hands Car Wash with 7.5 out of 10 because it was cheaper and it had a dog wash. And in third place with 7.5 out of 10 is the Griffith Super Wash, primarily because the other two had things I could just slightly lead ahead with, and the New Wave Car Wash completely blew the others out of the water by having an hairdryer, which I can't get over. It's awesome. Thank you for watching Suds Safari in Griffith, and thank you for humouring me as I washed my car 3 times in a row. We're heading towards the coast now, so I'm pretty sure there'll be a few more car washes on the way before I get my Jeep back, but I'm pretty sure we'll see the Outback washed a couple more times before then. Thanks again, join me next time.